Looking for the best pool tables? In this video we look at some of the top 3 pool tables on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Fat Cat, Trueshot 6-foot pool table with folding legs. Pros: in spite of being a compact, space-saving 6-foot model, this pool table has a strong build that will hold up to serious play. Legs fold, which is a nice feature if you ever need to take it down and store it. Cons: heavier than expected for a 6-foot model, but that's also a testament to its durability. Bottom line: this pool table proves that you can experience regulation-like play on a smaller model. It's also suitable for pool aficionados with limited space. At number 2. Hathaway, Fairmont portable pool table, 6-foot. Pros: folding leg system ensures quick setup and a sturdy playing surface. Steel legs are hardy and reliable. All accessories included, as well as a storage bag. Blue felt looks great on table surface. Most affordable model on our shortlist. Cons: construction quality is questionable. Difficult to level properly. Bottom line: inexpensive, portable table measures over 6 feet long yet folds down to a small size, allowing for easy transport. At number 1. Mizerak, Dynasty Space Saver 6.5-foot pool table. Pros: the small 6-foot 6-inch length is great for saving space, as well as being a good size for kids to use. Easy to use leg levelers keep the table on an even keel. The construction is sturdy and stable, making it good for children and beginners. Cons: although it's not a complex assembly, some argued that it was a bit too time-consuming for their liking. Bottom line: a great starter table for anyone who wants to own their first pool table. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.